ISOKO wado everywhere about zizi. So for this my video, I want to learn some ISOKO 3 letter words. So if you never watch where I for the teach, I beg visit my channel, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. The name remain the same of Romote. Go and watch from TOP. Okay, so yeah, I have only 10. Now only 10 I want to teach us for this video. Okay, my number one I have here is ako tit. Aka bitter cola. Aye woman. AI means women. Are cola nut or ere, that is cola nut. Aze blood. Bro, how many or how much? Bro means cut. Braino, cut it off. Da pep de run. De shade. So this is where I'm going to end my teaching on this my video. Follow me up for more of Romote ISOKO to the world.